Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already embedded in our daily lives, whether we realize it or not. From personalized recommendations and voice assistants to automated hiring tools, medical diagnostics, and predictive policing, AI systems are shaping how we work, live, and relate to one another. But as these systems grow more powerful and autonomous, the conversation around AI ethics has become urgent, complex, and unavoidable. At its core, AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like pattern recognition, decision-making, problem-solving, or even emotional response. But these systems don't understand context, morality, or consequences the way humans do. They function through data, statistical inference, and optimization, and that's where the ethical tension begins. 1. Bias in training data. Most AI models are trained on massive datasets collected from the internet, social media, historical records, or surveillance feeds. These datasets reflect existing human behavior, flawed, biased, and uneven. When an AI system is trained on this data without proper curation, it can reproduce or even amplify social inequalities. Facial recognition systems, for example, have been shown to have significantly higher error rates when identifying individuals with darker skin tones or non-Western facial features. Predictive policing algorithms have disproportionately flagged low-income and minority communities due to biased historical arrest data. In hiring platforms, AI tools trained on previous resumes have penalized women and underrepresented groups, not because of qualifications, but because of patterns in past human decisions. The ethical concern is simple. If we automate flawed systems, we risk institutionalizing discrimination at scale. 2. Lack of transparency. Many AI models, especially deep learning systems, function as black boxes. Even the engineers who design them often cannot fully explain why a model made a specific decision. This lack of explainability is especially problematic in high-stakes domains like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice. If an AI system denies someone a loan, recommends a treatment plan, or flags a person as high risk, both the individual and the institution need to understand why. Without transparency, accountability is impossible. Ethical AI development requires not just high performance, but interpretability and auditability. 3. Surveillance and privacy. AI systems thrive on data: personal, behavioral, biometric, and emotional. With the growth of IoT devices, cameras, microphones, and sensors, AI-powered surveillance is becoming increasingly normalized. Facial recognition in public spaces, emotion detection in workplaces, predictive monitoring in schools. Each of these raises questions about consent, autonomy, and power. Who controls the data? Who has access to it? And how is it being used? In countries with few data protection laws, this becomes a tool of control and suppression. Even in democratic societies, the line between safety and surveillance is increasingly blurred. 4. Autonomy and manipulation. As AI gets better at mimicking human behavior, it's also getting better at influencing it. Social media algorithms are designed to maximize engagement, not truth, well-being, or civility. AI-generated content can amplify polarization, reinforce confirmation bias, or manipulate emotions. Recommendation systems are optimized to keep users watching, scrolling, or clicking, regardless of whether the content is harmful, misleading, or addictive. In the wrong hands, AI becomes not just a tool of automation, but of psychological influence. This is not just a technical issue, it's an ethical one. Who decides what we see, believe, or feel? And what responsibility do developers hold when algorithms drive behavior? 5. Labor and economic displacement. AI is also reshaping the future of work. Automation has already replaced human workers in manufacturing, logistics, customer service, and data entry. More advanced systems are now targeting roles in law, medicine, finance, and software engineering. While some argue that AI will create new kinds of jobs, the transition is not equally distributed. Those without access to retraining, education, or infrastructure may be left behind. The ethical question is not whether we should pursue automation, but how we do it. What safety nets exist for displaced workers? How are the benefits of AI distributed? And who profits from the gains? Sixth, AI autonomy and accountability. With the rise of autonomous systems such as self-driving cars, military drones, and robotic surgery, the question of responsibility becomes increasingly unclear. If an AI makes a mistake, who is liable? The developer, the user, the company, or no one at all? This ambiguity challenges our legal systems, our insurance models, and our moral frameworks. As machines take more independent action, we must redefine the meaning of accountability in a world where intention and causality are no longer human-centered. 7. Consent and emotional AI. One of the most complex emerging areas is emotional AI, systems that read, react to, or simulate human emotion. These are already being used in advertising, mental health support, customer service, and even romantic companionship. While the technology promises personalization, it also introduces new risks: manipulation, dependency, and emotional exploitation. When AI learns your weaknesses, habits, and emotional patterns, not to help but to monetize or manipulate, ethics are no longer optional. They're critical. So where do we go from here? Ethical AI isn't just about preventing harm, it's about designing for responsibility. That means building diverse, inclusive data sets, designing for explainability, not just accuracy, enforcing transparency and regulation around data usage, creating guardrails against manipulation and misinformation, ensuring that economic benefits of AI are shared, not hoarded. Embedding ethical review into the entire development lifecycle. Policymakers, developers, users, and educators all have a role to play. Because AI isn't neutral, it reflects the values of the people who create and deploy it. If we want intelligent systems that serve society, not exploit it, we must align technological innovation with human ethics. The future of AI is not just about what we can build, it's about what we choose to build and what we choose to protect. Like this video if you believe ethics must guide AI development. Subscribe for more deep dives on technology, society, and the future. Share this with someone who's building, using, or being impacted by AI today. Because the future isn't coded in algorithms, it's written in values, and we're the ones holding the pen.